Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix controller drift on your PS4 DualShock 4 controller in a simple and effective way. First, let's understand the issue. Analog stick drift happens when your controller moves on its own without touching the stick, usually caused by dust, wear, or calibration problems. Start with a basic fix. Turn off your controller and gently clean around the analog stick using a dry cloth or compressed air. Move the stick in circles while cleaning to remove any dirt stuck inside. Next, try resetting your controller. On the back of the controller, there is a small reset hole. Use a pin to press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. After that, reconnect it to your console using a USB cable and test it again. If the problem continues, go into your PS4 settings and check for controller calibration or update your system software to ensure everything is running correctly. Another method is using a small amount of electronic contact cleaner around the base of the stick. Spray lightly and move the stick to spread it evenly, then let it dry before using. If none of these steps work, the issue might be hardware related, and you may need to replace the analog stick module or consider getting a new controller. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.